Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. In our rooftop, we have a rooftop garden as well as kitchen garden. There we grow a lot of vegetables and some fruits as well. There are also some flowers growing there. Whenever we plant any kinds of plant, there are a lot of insect attacks, such as thrips, spider mites, mealybugs, aphids, etc. Look, in our brinjal plant there is attack of aphid. We all know prevention is better than cure. My mom every day checks and inspects the plant, but for a long time my mom hasn't done it. So the aphid attack has been done of our plant. There are many ways to control aphids without using dangerous chemicals in our garden. First, we can get rid of aphids by hand. Put on some garden gloves and knock them off the leaves, stems, flower buds, or wherever you see them. In here, my mom has used a soft brush to remove them and removed all the damaged yellow affected leaves. The second method, you have to use water. Spray aphids off the plant with a strong stream of water from a garden hose. This method is most effective early on the season before an infestation has been fully taken hold. The method I will tell now is the most effective method my mom will use. Here you can use buttermilk or sour curd. Make sure to dilute it with water. Make sure to dissolve it very well. Then take it in a spray bottle. Then give this to both sides of the leaf of your plant. This has no side effects, whereas it gives nutrients to your plant. Instead, you can also give soap and water. Make a homemade aphid spray by mixing a few tablespoons of a pure liquid soap in a small bucket of water. Apply with a spray bottle directly on the aphids and the affected parts of the plant. Make sure to soak the undersides of the leaves where eggs and larvae like to hide. This is also a very effective method to use. You can also use neem oil. The organic compounds in neem oil act as a repellent for aphids and other insects, including mealybugs, cabbage worms, beetle, leaf miners, ants, and various types of caterpillars. However, it may repel beneficial insects, so use caution when and where they are present. But before giving neem oil to the plant, make sure to dilute the oil in water. Instead of neem oil, you can use other essential oils. Create your own spray mixture with essential oil. Use 4 to 5 drops of each peppermint, clove, rosemary and thyme and mix with water in a small spray bottle. Hope you enjoyed this video on how to get rid of aphids. You can also watch our other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.